This is Harry Vocal, sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Celebrity rants. Celebrities used to step up and take their awards and disappear. But in the last few years, all we keep hearing is celebrity rants about politics, Trump, Black Lives Matter. You name it, they go on and on. And most of them are no different to the rest of us. They were normal people at some stage. But you get celebrity status, and all of a sudden, you're one of the world's best knowledgeable people. And the big sad thing is that there's so many young kids out there are influenced by what you people say. And most of you aren't great psychologists, politicians, Einsteins, or the Dalai Lama. And yet yous come out there because yous all live in ivory towers and you wouldn't know what it's like to live in the real world anymore and keep having your uninformed, ill-willed, bloody points of view. Well, we've got a message for you, celebrities. Just take your award and shut the fuck up. This is Harry Vogel.